Want to make authentic New York-style pizza at home? Here's a simple recipe for you. Gather yeast, warm water, flour, salt, olive oil, tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, Romano cheese, basil, oregano, and red pepper flakes. Combine the yeast, water, flour, salt, and olive oil, then knead the dough and let it rise. Roll it out and get your oven and pizza stone blazing hot. Place the dough on the stone, cover it with sauce, herbs, and cheese. Bake until the cheese is melty and the crust is crispy. Allow it to cool a bit before enjoying. Let us know if you give this recipe a try, and don't forget to like and follow for more mouthwatering dishes.